DirectFix.com presents iPhone 3G touch panel reassembly directions for part number IP2213. Warning: this content is intended to be used for informational and entertainment purposes only. You're using these video directions and its content at your own risk. AX Microsolution Inc. makes no representation, warranties, or condition of any kind, express or implied. Following these directions on this video will void your warranty. You're performing this repair at your own risk. Be sure to visit us on the web at DirectFix.com for all your parts and accessory needs. At checkout, use coupon code YouTube for 5% off your first order. You're now going to take your LCD assembly and insert it into the frame. Watch out for the metal tab at the top and make sure it goes under. You're now going to install the screw at the top right corner of the shield assembly where the LCD tab went under the metal tab. You're now going to start installing the 5 screws that you took out earlier to remove the LCD assembly. We're going to speed this up a little bit to make it faster. We're now going to install the screen assembly back into the bottom of the iPhone. Following the number system backwards, first install by sliding in the number 3 cable. Once the cable is in, you're going to push down the connector that's at about a 45-degree angle and lock the cable in. Now push down connector number 2 and push down connector number 1 to plug it in. The screen has 2 plastic tabs at the top of the screen by the earpiece that need to go under the chrome as you bring it down into the assembly. You're now going to reinstall the 2 screws at the bottom of the iPhone. Now you have your repaired iPhone. Please be sure to click the link on the right side of the screen to take you to our website, DirectFix.com, for all your parts and accessory needs.